Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to download and install Oracle VirtualBox in Ubuntu or Linux. Let's get started by opening a web browser and browse this URL virtualbox.org, and from left side of the page click on downloads, and then locate here Linux distributions. Click on this link and you will find VirtualBox for Linux. Click here to download Debian file. I have already downloaded this Debian package, so show in folder, or you can directly navigate to downloads folder. Now open in terminal, or you can navigate to download folder by cd. Okay, now install VirtualBox with this command, with sudo privilege sudo dpkg -i and then virtualbox.dev file, and hit enter. Enter your system password. It will take some time to unpacking VirtualBox. If you get an error, this is the dependency error. You can solve this error by a command. Okay, now apply this command sudo apt install -f. This command will fix the dependency problem. Type Y to continue. Okay, VirtualBox installed successfully. So open VirtualBox. Okay, now if you want to install any operating system inside Oracle VirtualBox, at first click on new and then name of your system. Okay, select machine folder and then type of the operating system: Linux, Microsoft Windows, Solaris, and the version of the operating system. If you like this video, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.